Umintri rang ba ka jela ukong rat ki sangma ulapen tip syakaying dorbar ba ka Meghalaya kala antat ba kala Pynmih kam kumpal lai point ripun riu lakngut hapdeng usnam 8,000 khandai hadu 8,000 atusan. Karep karyang kalayo ya kabaha kabahe tam da kabaai kumba iwe point khandai phulak kijing tmu bakong san ki kinthop ya ka jing rep sintio ka jing rep jor ka rep mushroom ka jing penroi so ki jing rep balong tenrai bat ka lakadong mission. Umintri rang ba ka jela ula pentim baya ki jing mentoi ha ka kam la sam ha ka lengki district kinthop ya ka West Garo Hills Ribhoi but East Khasi Hills
and employment opportunities. We have facilitated overseas placement of 60 nurses in Japan and Singapore. These nurses are Meghalaya's global ambassadors and are contributing to our economy through remittance amounting to 1 lakh per person per month. For 2026-27, CM Elevate will continue to support agriculture, livestock, sericulture and mobility entrepreneurs. Our 2,000 small businesses will be provided with a subsidy of 50,000 covering existing shops, SAGs and enterprises across both urban and rural areas. I'm also happy to introduce 6 new schemes under CM Elevate: green taxis, Meghalaya adventure tourism, poly houses, agriculture collective centers, cold storages and fish ponds, with subsidies ranging from 50% to 75%. Skilling continues to be our priority. Under CM Skilling Mission, already 30,000 youths have been trained, and another 70,000 will be trained by 2028. For 2026-27, I want to see that the benefits of skilling reach every village in the state. I have set a target to train at least 10 youths in every village. Similarly, I want the benefits of placements abroad to reach every nook and corner of our state. Over the next 2 years, we will work to place 10 professionals from every block in overseas roles in Japan, Germany, Singapore, UK, and other countries. I am happy to inform the August House that the construction of Meghalaya Skills and Innovation Hub at New Shillong has started. In 2026-27, we will initiate the construction of Skills and Innovation Hub at Tura as well. To support entrepreneurship, skills and innovation, I am proposing 241 crores.